купец удалой молодец. А он в деревню заехал, коней напоить, вздумал деревню гульбой удивить.
Hey followers, it's me again, Victor from AsRealAsYou. And that's not an episode, it's not like we're gonna talk about business or, ourselves. I do have chores and I had to take care of what I had to take care of around the house. And since I'm talking to you and I hope you guys gonna, send us feedback, I wanna show you some stuff what I do. And it's not about directly making the money, it's about probably more saving the money. So I have a pond, it's right there. And it's stocked with fish and I love fishing, I love everything about fishing, it's my passion.
Stress management.
So obviously my pond is full of fish and it's clean and I ate this fish. And yeah, don't think about it, I was in Navy. No, I wasn't. I was in service, but it was overseas. It was Soviet Union, so I'm angry Russian.
A Russian? Soviet.
So I'm gonna show you the product. It's not a commercial, but it does work. I'm doing this for third year already. I don't have aeration system. So I have to keep the balance, inside the pond and make sure I don't have anything on top of the water. That green, nasty stuff, it's bizarre. And I saw a lot of them, and it is two options in my opinion. One, you buying the aeration system, which is going to cost you anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 plus electric bill and all this stuff. And I tried something differently. 3 years ago, I ordered from online. It's pond enhancer, so it's environmentally friendly. It's bacteria. I buy actually it's two different products. One is straight to kill algae and all that nonsense. And second, because we're in the Midwest, it's a north suburb of Chicago, so obviously it is a lot of clay. So my pond, bottom of the pond is clay, so naturally it's going to be kind of dark brownish color, and I want to see the pretty color. So I buy the same product but with a color enhancement. So like I said, it's friendly for everything. I mean, I have dog at home and his favorite place to drink water is pond. So obviously I would not want to harm my dog or my fish. Okay, so the first product which I'm gonna use is called Pond Bacteria by PondWorks, and it does work. It's a gallon and it's about $25 a bottle. So I have 2 bottles of Pond Bacteria, and I have 2 bottles of same brand, PondWorks, and it is 2 bottles of Pond Enhancer. So it's actually not only has bacteria but also has a pretty color. So now I'm just gonna go to the pond and I'm gonna start putting this nonsense inside and see what's gonna happen.
This is ours, and he decided to wear slippers on the set. If the camera shakes while shooting, then all questions are to him. I'm fucking tired of editing this shit. Ours, always shaking the camera. I hate that motherfucker.
Into the pond. So here we go, the first bacteria in. Then we're gonna put enhancer. Now, when it's dark blue, so you have to be gently, make sure it's not gonna go on you, because no way in the life you can take it out. Here we go. I know now it's look nasty. Here we go, I got already some on my jeans. Well, that's the reason why I use the gloves. So, first two are in. We're going to the other side of the pond. So obviously I don't swim here. It's a 16 feet deep, but it's again clay in the bottom, so it's not really pretty. I have a pond next to my property and actually made for swimming, so I go over there, and my neighbor doesn't mind. He's a cool guy. So we're almost here. Here we go. And we're doing the same stuff. First it's a pond bacteria. It was extremely heavy accent, which I believe he don't have to, because I believe he does speak perfect English.
Soviet method is more economical.
Here we go. That's it. We're done. And that can be done, you know, I do this twice a year. I mean, last year actually I was lazy, so I did only once and it still was okay. But before, twice a year. It does work for about, 8 to 12 weeks. So, but don't wait too late, because once AG is gonna show up, it's really hard to deal with it. So that's it, we're done here. We're going home and we're gonna eat. And once again, just remember, you're at AsRealAsYou. Kind of nothing to do with business directly, but I just show you how to save about $5,000 on your pond. I mean, obviously you have to do the every year, but I believe $150 to $200 every year, it's not that bad. And plus, in the United States, people move normally from place to place every 7 years, 7 to 9 years. So 7 times 150, we're talking about $1,000, $700. So it's still a saving. Thank you, and I would wait for your feedback, because it's not crazy Russian, it's just Russian. AsRealAsYou. See you next time.